Lost your Microsoft Outlook business emails due to corruption? Or you accidentally emptied your deleted items folder containing important emails? Or maybe you just want to repair your corrupt email messages, notes, contacts, calendar, etc. The answer to all your worries is Stellar Phoenix Outlook PSD Repair. It's a comprehensive do-it-yourself repairing solution for damaged Microsoft Outlook personal storage files. The software repairs corrupted PSD files and restores all contents of a PSD file such as emails, attachments, contacts, calendars, and journals. An intensive scan of the PSD file extracts all the data, repairs it, and restores it to a new usable PSD file. With its simple 3-pane interface, you can selectively recover the required items or recover the entire file easily. It can repair any given PSD file of almost all versions of Microsoft Outlook and recovers effortlessly from large PSD files as well. While repairing, the software not only maintains the folder structure, but also the formatting of RTF and HTML messages of the PSD files. Isn't it great? So what are you waiting for? Download the free trial copy of this fast, easy, and powerful PSD file repairing utility, or purchase it risk-free with 30 days money-back guarantee from the website mentioned on screen.